and Destiny 2 is not working. There are tens and tens of people who are reporting that Destiny 2 servers are down on PlayStation 5. In fact, all the platforms Destiny 2 servers are not working. This is the update 8.0.0.3. In fact, we have got the latest update right from the Bungie help. Destiny servers are shut off recently. There are tons and tons of people are talking about this one. So yeah, you are not alone facing this issue, guys. Destiny 2 servers are not working. Check this out. Destiny 2 servers are down. Destiny 2 server downtime maintenance. So guys, definitely Destiny 2 servers are not working today, and today in this video I'll be going to cover the exact maintenance schedule, the downtime, when the servers will be back up and running. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, there are tens and tons of people who are reporting Destiny 2 servers are not working, and there is a reason behind it. There is a recent update going on into the Destiny 2. There is a recent update going on into the Destiny 2. This is the update 8.0.0.3. In fact, we have got the latest update right from the Bungie help. So let me show you all the details. Alright guys, so 18 hours ago they have announced about this update, upcoming Destiny 2 maintenance. This is the exact 8.0.0.3 update. This will be going on June 11th, that's today, and background maintenance will be going to start at 6 a.m. PDT, 7 UTC. Downtime begins on 6:45 a.m. and the expected downtime ending will be on 10 a.m. and background maintenance will be going to end on 12 p.m. 11th June. So guys, hopefully this is the downtime. Hopefully we do not exceed the downtime schedules, and hopefully servers will be back up and running very shortly. There are tons and tons of people are talking about this one. So yeah, you are not alone facing this issue, guys. Destiny 2 servers are not working. Do let me know if this video was helpful, and make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How To Guys. See you in the next video.